Welcome to topic 7 of module 1. In this topic, we will study the spam filtering case study using knife-based classification. Knife-based is a very basic and fundamental classifier for machine learning. The difference between knife-based and multi-knife-based is that multinomial knife-based is a specific instance of knife-based classifier. However, it uses a multinomial distribution, which means that multiple possible outcome for each feature. Multinomial knife base simply let us know that each feature within a given corpus and then its probability. Now this expression which is written is P of Fi in a given corpus is a multinomial distribution that is taken even with multiple possible outcomes rather than some other distribution. Now the features, as I said before as well, it is a type of data that can easily be turned into counts. This is actually the type of the input that is needed for multinomial knife base. Another important point in the multinomial knife base is that all the features that have possible multiple outcomes, they are independent from each other. So features don't have any dependence on each features in the multinomial knife base. Let's take a look at another important concept which will be used in this case study, which is term frequency inverse document frequency. In this concept, we calculate a numerical statistic that is intended to reflect how important a word is to a document in a corpus. So what we do is that we use this term frequency inverse document frequency as a weighing factor in searches of information in text retrieval, mining, and user modeling. So what we do is that in the TF-IDF value, we assign weights to the word counts, that how much that word is important to that document in the collection. TF-IDF value increases proportionally to the number of times a word appears in the document. And by the way, TF-IDF is one of the most important term weighing schemes today. Some 83% of the text-based recommender systems in the digital libraries are using TF-IDF. Now, some state-of-the-art spam filters are in fact actually driven by a variant of knife-based classification. So we have already seen that what is knife-based classification. It's a probabilistic approach and it calculates a set of probabilities for calculating the possibility whether an email is spam or ham. Now, in the using the term frequency or inverse document frequency, what we do is that we convert the email messages into a vectorized message rather than a raw count, and we normalize these raw word count, and then TF-IDF is applied on it to convert the message into a vectorized message, and then it is input to the multinomial knife base. In general, TF-IDF is a better indicator of a word's statistical importance in the text. So when we apply this algorithm, an accuracy of 95.6% was achieved, which is a whole 7% better than the local sensitive hash approach.